I am Bill, shop manager, Madness Autoworks, Texas, and today I'm going to show you how to install the MAXPower PRO in your Jeep JL with the 2-liter turbo. First thing you're going to do is make sure the motor's cold. You're going to be working around the turbo and stuff like that. You don't want to get burnt. And you're also going to disconnect the negative battery cable. Use a 10mm socket to remove the negative battery cable. Like that. I always put something underneath there just to keep it from making contact, because we are going to hook up the connector right here for the MAXPower PRO. And you use that same 10 to remove the engine cover. There's 2 bolts. They're loose. Go ahead and pull the bolts out. If you try to remove this, sometimes you pop them and they'll fall down in the engine compartment. Can't find them. Alright, release there. There's the engine cover. Alright, then you got 2 10mm right here holding the side engine cover on. Now, you don't have to totally remove this to do this job. I'm going to go ahead and redo it so I can show you all the sensors. There's a tube that attaches right here. I just undid it so I can show you guys where all the sensors are a lot easier. You do not have to remove this. You can just kind of lean it out of the way, get to the sensors. A is manifold pressure. It's down here. That's why we took this cover off. Right there. Right underneath this valve. Right there. I'm going to release the lock. Release it. There you go. Now you're going to take this 4-pin, slide it in the sensor, like so. Push it in, click, lock. Same with this one. Look for the ramp side. You're going to put it in the stock harness, and then make sure it locks. There you go. Make sure it snaps. You see it lock. All right, you're going to chuck that down there, and we're going to go after the next one, which is boost pressure, which is B on your harness. It's a 3-pin, and that guy is right here. Right here. Okay. Release the lock. There you go. Pull, release. Okay. Sometimes these things will hang up, and you'll need to take a pick, get behind them, and release this little piece here. Okay. All right. So we're going to snake our harness underneath, kind of hide it. All right. And then the lock side's up. So I'm going to push that guy there. Click the lock, give it a little pull, make sure she's good. Then also look again for the ramp side. It does have a flat side inside, but look for the ramp side. Marry that to the lock, push lock, and then make sure you lock it, and it'll click, just like so. The third sensor you're going after is the fuel pressure sensor. It's on the fuel rail. It's over between the coils here and blow-off valves right here. You'll see a silver tube going up. That's where you're going after. It's also a 4-pin. It's C on your harness. Push, lock. Find the ramp side, which is this side. Push, lock. There's also a flat piece inside here. It's right there to keep this from going on one way, but you do want to make sure that clicks and locks in place. And you're going to kind of tuck it down there, just like that. Take your 10mm, just find a good leg on your battery here. You just have to loosen it, and then you're going to take your positive lead and run it here, and just tighten it up. There you go. Put the cover back on it. Then you go, but while you're at the battery, go ahead and reconnect your negative. Like so. Nice and tight. There you go. Alright, now it's time to install the side engine cover, like so. And if you did take the vent line loose, you will need to clip it back on now. Pushes on the back. Straight down, click, click. 2 10 mils up front. That is how you install the MAXPower PRO on your Jeep JL with a 2-liter turbo. Any questions, please give us a call or email.